I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. Okay, guys, we are in Jefferson City. It is 11:55. Brace yourself. I've had 3 meat sticks and 1 pancake and coffee and a half. So this is my steaks that's from a couple days ago, so I made this up. So anyway, that's what I've had so far. Okay, I'll show you. They've got coffee machines. They're having, what is this? Bread pudding, an ooey gooey butter cake. They have cheeseburgers and chicken breasts, salad, and tater tots and toppings for a cheeseburger. So I already had my steak. This is a gift from a speaker talking about dental stuff. I have a coffee for the drive home. This is my strawberry protein band thing. And this is some pork steaks, some bites that I might eat on the way home if I need to. In the meantime, that's my blueberry. I'm going to eat on this one. It's my blueberry pancake. I'll show you from this side. What they do is they had a thing of buns and then smash burgers and grilled chicken. And then you could build your own sandwich. Everybody's like talking and networking, but my legs, I don't want to stand. Hello. I don't want to stand, so I'm just going to walk around. And President John F. Kennedy was an advocate for mental health reform. Like I said, I can't talk about where I work, but I can show you this wall because I'm not at my job. Look at this pretty wall. Oh, that's the bathroom. Just know I work in mental health field. We'll leave it at that. But I'm going to look around this wall. Y'all, I'm so proud of myself. This isn't mine. I didn't eat any, I didn't eat any of the desserts. I didn't eat any of the meat or any of the stuff. The only thing I ate was what I brought. And so, on the drive home, I had 2 meat sticks, and I think I had one of my pancakes. So anyway, I'm proud of myself. I have not eaten anything that I didn't bring. Whew, I'm tired. It's been a hard day. So, but first let's go over the food. I showed y'all what they served. So I had overall, so, I made my protein pancakes. Well, I took a wedge of each of them, of 2 of them to Mom. And I guess I ate some another time because there was only half. 2 of them, there was half. So I guess overall it was one protein pancake. And then the other one was 3/4. So I had 1 3/4 protein powder pancake. I had 3 meat. So I ain't going to even remember what I had on the ways of where. I've had 5 meat sticks. I'm being 5. I had pulled some, what are them things called? Pork steak bites that I had made. I pulled some out and so I was eating on those on the drive back. We'll talk about the drive back here in a minute. So I was eating some of those, and it was just bites of pork steak that was chopped up into bites. I had my steak. I had 2 coffees, 1 Zevia, and that's it. So everything I ate, it was more food than I eat, but it was still my food. And I can go to bed tonight knowing that, yep, I'm going to be swollen in my ankles, but that's because I had to sit for So we left out at 5 o'clock this morning, which means I had to get up before. Now, I know some people getting up at 4 o'clock is a day-to-day thing, but for me, I get up at 6 o'clock. I'm a delicate flower. That reminds me, I got to set an alarm. Hang on just a second. I had to turn off my morning alarms this morning because we were going to be on the road. So I have alarms that go off. Come on, ma'am. Come on, Callie. Get up here, girl. They go off every day at 6, 6:10, 6:20, and 6:25. But since we were going to be on the road at 5, we were going to be on the road, and I didn't want to have my alarms going off while I was driving. But anyway, I made it. So we left at 5. We got up there about 9:40. There's quite a bit of traffic. There's always construction, and so there's quite a bit of traffic this morning. And then, so the meeting 9:30, and it got done about 2:45. So then we left out at 2:45. Again, so much traffic going home. We got on 270. It was a little tight. If that's in St. Louis, it's a little tight. And then, we got on 55, and it was like with Suzanne's GPS thing was saying on her phone, it was saying that, look at this boy. Look at that sweet boy. Look at my bumper. Hi, buddy. You better give me a kiss. Thanks, buddy. Anyway, so, hi, jealous brother. Oh, hi. You ain't got to lick all everything. So anyway, so we got on to 55 after being on the road, and everybody was being rerouted off of the interstate because there was a wreck or something. It was red, and so people were being rerouted off. So Suzanne, she's so adventurous. She's like, "Let's go. I know it says to go right, but let's go left." I'm like, "Okay." So we did, and then we ended up going through like Crystal City and Festus area through the town. So we hit a lot of stop signs. I'm sorry, lay down and I'll pet your belly. Just lay down. Yeah, there you go. See? Oh, hang on, I dropped y'all. Hold up. Hold up. Hope y'all are still there. I dropped y'all. Y'all slid between my bed and the wall. I'm sorry, buddy. So anyway, whenever we left, it said we were going to be home by 6:30. But then as we were getting on towards 55, it was saying that we were not going to get home until 8:30 because there's so much traffic and stuff. So yeah, so we got rerouted off the interstate, and we're driving through towns. Woo, lots of traffic lights and stuff. Thankfully, I'm surprised there wasn't any stop signs, but there was a lot of traffic lights. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. There wasn't any stop signs, but the road we were on for a little while is the road that Mom said they used to take when they were going to St. Louis before they had the interstate. So anyway, so come home. That's all the food I ate. I did not eat anything for supper since I've been home. That was supper. That was breakfast, lunch, supper, and everything in between. I'm so thankful. There is a 8-ounce burger patty. 8-ounce burger patty in my refrigerator. So I'm like, yeah. So I don't have to do any cooking tonight. Because I'm sorry. I thought I was gonna have to do some cooking, and I didn't. I thought I was gonna have to use my air fryer, but I didn't. So yay, ma'am. He's just a baby. Don't yell at him. Ain't that right, Baxter? He's just a baby. He's just an 8-year-old baby. He's just a dumb baby. He don't know nothing. He's just a baby. He's just a baby. You know, I could say a whole lot more. I could talk to my people a lot more if you quit licking me in the mouth. Yeah. Anyway, so we made it. We made it back all in one piece. Thank the good Lord. There's a few times where, you get that road amnesia or road hypnosis, whatever it is, where you're just driving. And it's like, and your brain starts kind of shutting down think it's driving hypnosis, interstate. Anyway, whatever it is. I'm sorry. And anyway, and then so I kind of hit the back of my head against my headrest just to kind of wake up. And then sometimes I'm like, Jesus, 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 don't help me out here, Jesus. So anyway, so a few times I did stuff like that, but we made it. So all is well that ends well, and that's all I got for you. And I love y'all. And hey, like I said, I ate all the right foods. Just a little extra of them, and I'm okay with that. So there you go. All right, I love you, people. And you say bye, Sam. Say bye. He's too busy. Okay, bye. Bye. Okay. I guess he was saying bye, so bye.